Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is our new product, Relo gas burner. You can see the big gas burner. This burner actually uses for industrial purpose, some dry foods industry or textile industry or color coating industry. They actually need this big machine. So you guys can see there have powers and details information. It's a very big powerful machine from Relo. So powerful, and the uses fuel are fuel using on this machine. So this is our office. We are located in Shenzhen. If you guys need this kind of big machine, or if you need a small machine, we also have availability in our warehouse. This is our Shenzhen warehouse. We have another warehouse in Guangzhou and Shanghai near the Ningbo port. So you can see lots of Relo gas burner we are available in our warehouse. So if you are interested, then just contact us